Hello friends. So now to solve this expression, we follow the Bodmas rule, which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets. B stands for bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for orders, multiplication. B square roots, cube root solve, and then exponents. For division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this Bodmas sequence, we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now step 1. We solve first parentheses, small brackets. Now there is a small bracket 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So according to this step 1, brackets always come first. Solving the insides out simplifies the nested structure. Now equation becomes 4 cube divided by 8 of 2 plus 3 multiplied square bracket 15 minus curly bracket 12 divided by 2. Now step 2, we solve for the curly brackets. Next we solve the curly bracket is 12 divided by 2. Now equals to 6. So this step 2, following the Bodmas hierarchy, we move to the next level of grouping. Now expression becomes 4 power 3 divided by 8 of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 15 minus 6. Now square bracket of. Step 3. We solve the square brackets. We solve the final set of brackets, which is 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now according to this step 3, we complete the B brackets part of the rule. Now expression becomes 4 power 3 divided by 8 of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 9. Now step 4, we solve orders, powers. Next we calculate the exponents. So 4 power 3 equals to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 64. According to this step 4, O stands for orders, exponents must be simplified before other arithmetics. Now the expression becomes 64 divided by 8 of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 9 of part. Of acts as a higher priority multiplication that comes immediately after brackets and orders. So first, now 8 of 2 is equal to 8 multiplied by 2 equals to 16. Now according to this step 5, O also stands for of. It is handled before standard division. Now the expression becomes 64 divided by 16 plus 3 multiplied by 9. Now step 6, division and multiplication. Perform division and multiplication from left to right. So now first divide the values. 64 divided by 16 is equal to 4, and after we multiply the digits, 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. Now expression becomes 4 plus 27. Now finally we add the values. Addition. Finally add the remaining values. So 4 plus 37 equals to 31. 31 is the final value. Addition is the final step in the expression. So this expression, the conclusion says final result of the expression is 31 by strictly following the Bodmas rule. So Bodmas sequence, we ensure that the nested grouping was unraveled correctly and that the of priority was respected over the standard division. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.